Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create glitch effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application, and if we want to add glitch effect, we need to go to the effect option right here, and then we have to select the video effect, and in this video effect we need to search for the glitch effect. You just need to type in glitch, and there will be some glitch effect you can use for your video. For example, you can choose a glitch. You can also select the color glitch or the snow glitch, and it's up to you. You can choose the glitch effect that you like, and I'm gonna go with this one, color glitch. Then if you want to adjust the effect, you can click on adjust, and here you can adjust the speed. Okay, and click on the check mark, and you can make this effect align with your video by dragging in the effect, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create glitch effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.